Hi guys, and welcome back to GSM ABC, and today I'm going to show you how to delete your Facebook account. So first thing you need to do is go to Facebook, tap here on the three lines, and then click on this gear to go to settings. After that, click here to go to account center. Here is your Facebook profile, and then go to personal details. Now go to account ownership and control and click on deactivation or deletion. Select your profile, and now you have to choose between deactivating your account or deleting your account. Select the second one, scroll down and click on continue. Now you can choose your reason for deletion and then click on continue. Again on continue. If you want to keep Messenger, don't delete your account, just deactivate it. But if you want to delete it, scroll down and then click on continue. Now you need to type your account password and then click on continue. Keep in mind that if you delete your account now, you'll have 30 days to reactivate it, or else your account will be permanently deleted. Until then, you have the option to activate it again. By pressing this button, you will deactivate your account for 30 days, then it's gonna be deleted permanently, and these are all the steps that you need to take. Thank you guys for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next tutorial.